If you have to wait for a discount to buy luxury, you are not the customer. You are the prey. We are witnessing a strange phenomenon. A world where people earning $3,000 a month are lining up to buy bags worth $2,000. But here is the brutal reality. True luxury is defined by exclusivity. When it becomes accessible to everyone, it is no longer luxury. It is just a uniform for the insecure. The giants, LVMH, Kering, Richemont, they know this. They use a strategy called Masstige. Mass, prestige. The $50,000 dress is for the billionaire, but the $500 belt? That is the bait. It is designed specifically for the high earners, not rich yet. They engineered a system where you voluntarily transfer your wealth to them in exchange for a logo that says, "I am successful," even if your bank account is bleeding. But let's look closer at the supply chain. Have you heard of the ghost shift? Often, the authentic bag and the high-end replica are made in the same factory, with the same leather, by the same hands. The only difference? One leaves through the front door with a certificate. The other leaves through the back door with a discount. So, when you pay 10 times the price for the official version, you aren't paying for better atoms. You are paying an ego tax. You are paying for the psychological permission to feel valid. The pragmatist, the truly wealthy, understands this. Here is the brutal rule of status. If you are truly rich, even a fake looks real. But if you are broke, even the real thing looks fake. To understand why we pay this tax, we must look at the players. First, meet the bully. For him, life is a zero-sum game. He doesn't buy the shoes because he likes them. He buys them to ensure you know that he is better than you. He is rich in assets, but bankrupt in spirit. Then, there is the hollow man. He isn't trying to dominate. He is trying to hide. He uses brands as a prosthetic personality. He buys the hype beast sneakers because he is terrified of being seen as nobody. He wears the costume of a king, but lives with the anxiety of an imposter. He thinks he is buying respect, but everyone can smell the desperation. And finally, the anomaly, the stoic. He wears $20 shoes because they function. He has the money to buy the luxury, but he refuses to play the game. While the bully is stressed about dominance and the hollow man is panicked about his credit card bill, the stoic is simply free. There is an uncanny valley of wealth. True wealth whispers. It prioritizes freedom. Desperate wealth screams. It prioritizes labels. So, ask yourself, the next time you feel the urge to swipe that card, are you buying craftsmanship? Or are you trying to buy respect? Because in the game of status, the only winning move is not to play. The guy in the $2,000 shoes is running away from himself. The guy in the $20 shoes is just walking. Look, I am not here to tell you how to spend your money. I am just showing you the trap. Whether you walk into it or walk away, that is on you. But if you want to keep seeing the maps, you know where the subscribe button is. I'll see you in the next one.